Hey guys, welcome back, and you could join us on Moneycontrol, and I'm Manisha Gupta. We're talking about the aluminum prices right now because we've seen strength in these one. Well, yes, it has come from its highs. January was a great month. Feb seemed to be giving up all of those gains back, but in the last couple of sessions, there is some support coming back into this space. Couple of reasons for that. One, you have seen the coal prices stabilize as well. When you look at aluminum, a couple of input raw materials. One is coal, where we saw a sharp decline and then some stability. The other one is nickel, and then you also have iron ore, where as well the prices have seen some support come back into the markets. Also, the Chinese Yunnan province has told the power consumption to the aluminum smelters to reduce the power consumption by 40 to 42%. So that means that the smelting in sense of aluminum, or the capacity therein, is expected to decline going further. So when you look at Yunnan and the aluminum production there, September 2022 was 4.04 million tons. Feb, that number came down to 3.9, and for March the expectation is that you could see it declining further to 3.2 to 3.3. So that is where the premium in prices is coming back from. The other report is from the International Aluminium Association, which says that the Jan production has seen a gain up by 3.3% as compared to January in 2022. That could have been slightly bearish, but when you look at the overall production for 2022, that gained up by just 2%. And the consumption estimates for the current year 2023 are expected to be higher by 4.7% as compared to the previous year. So the production is not as much, and the consumption numbers seem quite long there. Also, when you look at the global aluminum inventories, for the last year we saw it at 2.3 million tons. This year it stands at around 1.4 million tons, which is the lowest, by the way, in last 12 to 16 years, and that is expected to support the prices there. And then there are quite bullish views from banks and brokerages coming in for this year when you look at the availability and the price outlook as well. One is from Fitch, which says that they're looking at an aluminum average price of $2,600 a ton. Currently we are trading at $2,400 a ton, so strength expected from these prices. Goldman Sachs clearly is very bullish on aluminum. They're expecting an average price of $3,125 a ton as the inventories have continued to decline, and according to them, the inventories could decline to 21-year lows as we step into this year. Norsk Hydro says that they are expecting a 600,000 tons of capacity to go down in this year. There also is a report from Fitch which says that Russian production also could decline by 3% for 2023. So everywhere that you look, all the reports, all the analysis tells you that the availability and supply can be a concern. Demand is expected to be on the stronger side. The input costs are now stabilizing. So there is very less reason for you to go short in aluminum from these current levels.